so excited to welcome our preschool and kindergarten class. Tonight is our kindergarten open house, and we are excited to welcome over 400 students to our school that are in kindergarten this year. We have an exciting year ahead with lots of refreshed teachers and staff coming back who've learned lots of information about teaching reading in the early years and conscious discipline, social emotional learning. We are ready to go. We hired 6 new teachers this year and 6 new instructional assistants, and we had a wonderful kickoff day focusing on the belief that we all together as a team can help children reach heights like no other. We're looking forward to a wonderful year. Open house for our preschool students will be on August 19th, and parents will be contacted via postcards once they have registered and been accepted. Then we'll send them a postcard to tell them about the time on August 19th that they can come, and we look forward to seeing them very soon.
Hi, my name is Anna Tartaglia. I am the cafeteria manager at North Park Elementary. We are excited this year to have a new app on our website that you can click on and go to view the menu. On this app, you will find that you can list certain allergies that your child might be allergic to, and it will mark off the product in the menu so the child won't get any, it's a better way to find out what's in our foods. And the app is really good, and if you have any problems whatsoever getting on the app or understanding it, feel free to call Child Nutrition at 270-769-8922, and they can help you with the app. So we look forward to a great school year.
Hi, I'm Carolina. I'm with Passport Health Plan. We are one of the managed care organizations here in the state of Kentucky, and I'm here to answer your questions. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sabrina Morgan with North Park Elementary. I'm the Title I coordinator for our school, and Title I is a federally funded program. Some of the services that we provide are parent and family engagement activities. We provide services for volunteer programs. We provide supplemental and educational materials for the classrooms, and we can also use our funds to buy teachers so that we have a low teacher-to-student ratio.
Hi, my name is Christina Fisher. I'm with Vine Grove PAC 134, and we meet at the Vine Grove United Methodist Church on Thursday evenings at 6 o'clock, and you can get more information at cubscouts134.gmail.com.
So I'm Christina, and this is Mary Jane. We are with Radcliffe's Cub Scout PAC 293. We are here recruiting for our PAC. We accept all children, both boys and girls, ages, grades kindergarten through 5th grade. We do all kinds of fun stuff throughout the year. We go camping, fishing, hiking. What do you like about the Scouts, Mary Jane?
Everything.
Everything, okay.
Hey guys, this is Chris with Vine Grove Youth Soccer again. For the last time, we're here at North Park Elementary doing sign-ups while they're doing their open house, and then we'll be at Vine Grove City Hall, 300 West Main Street, Vine Grove, Kentucky, where the police are. Saturday, August 10th from 10 to 2. Be the last time you get a sign up to play for Vine Grove. We better see you guys there. Thanks. Have a good day.
For our Family Resource Youth Service Centers, the Family Resource Youth Service Centers offer many materials and resources for our families in the area. If you have any questions whatsoever, just contact the Family Resource Youth Service Center at North Park. Craig Buchanan is the coordinator there, and he also serves at Radcliffe Elementary School.
I'm Chris Green. I'm out here at Radcliffe Youth Soccer doing sign-ups, registrations today at North Park Elementary. Come on out, sign up. Let's get these kids out here and have some fun.
Hi, I'm Chastity Begley. I'm the nurse here at North Park Elementary. I'm with the Healthy Kids Clinic, and we're just getting kids signed up for to be able to see the school nurse here at school this year. And we're giving out a few items and just some information about the Healthy Kids Clinic.
Hi, I'm Sarah Blakeman. I'm one of the new speech therapists here, and I'm really excited for school to start. Can't wait to see all the new students.
Hi, I'm Cindy Sage. I'm the Library Media Specialist here at North Park, and I just wanted to welcome everybody to Open House, and we look forward to seeing all of our parents here throughout the year, and we're going to have an awesome year.
Hi, I'm Robin. I am at North Park Elementary. Welcome back to the school year. We are here to transport your children safely to and from school, and we hope that the parents and people out on the roads please be patient with the buses, and safety is very important. Welcome back to school.
Hi, I'm Diane Kelly from the Hardin LaRue Skills U. We are located at the ECTC campus, but we also have classes in Radcliffe at the Hill Street Missionary Baptist Church. Give us a call at 769-8866. We have new learning options available. Afternoon classes, more focused distance learning, and we are going to be open one Saturday a month in the E-Town office, second Saturday, for your learning opportunities.
I'm Seth Hayes. I'm the music teacher here at North Park Elementary in Radcliffe, and we've had family and students come through and just showing them around North Park and how great of a school is, how great the teachers are, and how much fun they're going to have. So it's going to be a great year.
Hey, I'm James McCurdy, and thank you for being here this evening.